Alright you guys, so I am back with another natural hair tutorial. This is like 2 in the last couple of weeks. I am on a roll here. So I wanted to try out these spoolies. I had heard good things about them, and as you can see, they're very oddly shaped, very different from anything I've ever used in my hair. So I wanted to give them a try to see how I would like them and to see what type of curls I got. So to achieve this look, I'm using the Almond J Twisting Butter by Camille Rose Naturals. I've talked to you guys about that stuff before. I'm also using the Twirling Custard by Cream of Nature. I really like that as well. I'm starting this look by gathering all of my hair up into a ponytail, except for a small back section. You just want to gather it into a very loose pony and leave that small section in the back so you can start working there. So the first thing I'm doing is taking the Cream of Nature Twirling Custard, and I'm just taking a little bit and putting it on my fingertips and rubbing it in the hair. This is freshly washed and blow dried hair, so it's dry pretty much right now. So I'm just putting it on my ends, also just putting it on my scalp, just making sure that my hair is nice and moisturized. Then you want to take the Almond J Twisting Butter from Camille Rose Naturals and then add that to the hair as well. This gives a nice hold. It's not a crunchy hold though, very flexible, soft hold this gives. So I love this stuff for keeping my hair in place. Then I'm just going to wrap the hair around the spoolie and push it closed. Very, very simple. I'm trying to make sure the hair is as smooth as possible as I'm wrapping it around. And then you just kind of clasp the two sides together. Not even clasp, you really just push them together and it kind of closes. It looks like a little mushroom. It's so cute. But it stays in place like that, and they were very, very comfortable to sleep in. I'm going to get you guys a close-up and do the same thing for the next section here. I'm just going to add my moisturizing layer, and then on top of that add the Camille Rose Naturals Almond J Twisting Butter for my hold layer, and then I'm going to wrap it around the spoolie. And this actually didn't take me long to do. I believe the whole head took me about maybe 18 minutes. It really wasn't that long at all. So I can appreciate that because sometimes natural styles can take hours. So this was very, very quick, something really quick that you can do at night. So I ended up using the entire pack of spoolies. It came in a pack of 24 and I used all 24 in my head. I probably could have used about 3 or 4 more maybe and made smaller sections, but this is what came in the pack, so I used all of them and it worked out pretty well. So then I used the Mio Organics Edge Control and I just put some of it on my edges so I could put my scarf on and get ready to go to bed and wake up and see how this turns out. So it is morning time. We're back. As you can see, there was some nervousness in my face there, but we'll see how this turns out. So here I'm just taking off my scarf and I am going to put some oil in my hands and remove the spoolies, and you guys be the judge and let me know what you think. Okay guys, so first thing, don't mind my foundation. I'm testing out a new one, so the color's a little off, but I'm still testing it out, so that's that. Second, here we go again. It's 2018 and I still can't get this right. So I tried these spoolies, as you guys saw, and this is what I got, which is basically a frizzy mess. Like, this is a hot mess right here. It is just so frizzy and I have no idea what to do with it. The curls did not come out. I think I put too much product in some areas though, because some of the hair is still wet, but it looks a mess, a hot mess. So I went and got my pick and I'm just gonna try to lift the roots here just to give it some volume. Yeah, I definitely put too much product in the hair because you can see the product like right here. Like, I just washed my hair, so none of this was in my head. And you can see the product kind of flaking through right there. So I'm gonna have to wash my hair again. Alright, so this is really all I got for you guys. I don't really know what to do with this except for go to my trusty favorite hairstyle, which is a puff. That is all I really know how to do with my natural hair when it doesn't turn out the way I want it to. So I'm just gonna use these snappies, and I used these in a video with you guys before, but I'm just gonna use these, and basically you just snap them together and then you can do whatever you want with it. So that's what I'm gonna do because I have to get to church and I am running late and I have another video to film. Or what if we just wear a fro? What if I say screw it? I have not worn a fro in a very, very long time. What if I just say screw it and wear fro? I don't know if I like a fro though. Guys, so I decided to stick with the fro. All in all, the spoolies were a fail for me, and maybe it was just how I did it. I may try them again in the future video, but as it stands right now, the spoolies were a fail to me. Even the curls that weren't wet, that I didn't put too much product in, it still didn't curl the way I thought it would curl. So I really was not a fan of them. They just really did not work the way I thought they would work. So like I said, I ended up keeping the fro. It's okay. I don't mind doing a fro every now and then. So I'm gonna keep it like this for the rest of the day. I cannot wait to wash this foundation off either because this color is awful. All right, so I added some earrings. So what do you guys think about the fro? I'm not really a person who rocks just fros like this, but I think for the day I might go ahead and do it. Well, I won't say the entire day. It's actually New Year's Eve when I'm filming this. So my husband and I are going to a party later, which you guys will see on my vlog channel. So make sure you go over there and subscribe to Bradley TV. But yeah, we're going to a party later and I'm wearing a wig. So, I mean, I can rock this until I put on my wig, right? I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna go to church with it and see what everybody say. But anyway, like I was saying, overall the spoolies I think were a no for me. I may try them again in the future, but for right now, I didn't love the way the hair curled, and as you can see, my hair just really looks like a frizzy mess. So this was definitely a fail, and yeah. So if you guys like videos like this and hair tutorials, even if they are a fail, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know down below if you want me to try out any other products or any other hairstyles. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.